Probably my favorite lures I've ever made are these new ones. And I know that's what everyone says, oh, the new product's the best one, blah, 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 you gotta get it. But honestly, I am so stoked with these things. I'm doing them in 3 sizes, 2 10mm, 2 40mm, and a huge 2 70mm. But they're all floating stick baits that are tail weighted, designed to cast super far, and have a kind of more randomized action, where you wanna hit your sweeps with a bit of slack line, then the lure will kind of dance under the water in a pretty random pattern, but still based within an S-swim, if that makes sense. It'll just do a slightly different one each time. This one's the 2 70mm, and as you can see, I'm doing it in that classic OG mullet color pattern, which is probably my go-to when I don't know what to throw, because at this point I've caught pretty much everything on it. I'll give you some more info soon, stay tuned because it won't be long.